We do a lot of stair installation through the landscapes, and there are many factors that affect the cost of those stair installations. First of all, how big is the stairway that we're creating? Is it going to traverse an entire hillside, or are we just making a few steps to go into an entryway? What material choices are we going to use? Are we going with natural stone, which can be a little more costly, or are we going to make the steps out of precast concrete, or perhaps out of retaining wall blocks, and that can bring the price down a little bit. Are we going to be incorporating lighting into the staircase? Is there, with the hillside staircase, that can actually be somewhat more reasonable cost than if we have to build the base underneath the staircase as well, making it out of retaining wall or concrete. So there are many factors that can affect the cost of the staircase build, and those really have to do with the scope and the material choices.